Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the quick and easy process of changing your email address on the X app. Whether you've switched to a new email provider or simply want to update your contact information, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get it done in just a couple of minutes. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your email. Next, tap your profile icon, which you'll find in the top corner of the screen. This will open up your profile menu with several options to manage your account. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the tools you need to adjust your account preferences, privacy, and security. Once inside, tap on your account. This is where all of your primary account information is stored. Now, choose Account Information. You may be asked to confirm your password at this stage, so make sure you have it ready. This extra step is just to ensure your account stays secure. When you're in the Account Information section, tap on Email. You'll see your current registered email address displayed here. Go ahead and enter your new email address in the space provided. Double-check it to make sure there are no typos. A small mistake could prevent you from receiving important notifications or account recovery options. After typing in your new email, confirm the change by following the on-screen instructions. In most cases, X will send a verification email to the new address. Open that email and click the confirmation link to complete the process. And that's it, your email on X has been successfully updated. From now on, all account notifications, password reset links, and security alerts will be sent to that new address. Keeping your email address up to date is one of the best ways to ensure you never lose access to your account and always stay informed about important changes. If you found this guide useful, be sure to update your information as soon as your email changes, so your account stays secure and connected.